I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2006 Toyota Tacoma 4x4 4.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to replace the wheel bearing with hub. So these are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 1/2 inch impact wrench, 36mm socket, rubber hammer, a ball peen hammer, water pump plier, another water pump plier, 17mm wrench, another 17mm wrench, side cutters, flat tip screwdriver, 3/8 ratchet, 12mm socket, 10mm socket, chisel, and anti-seize. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a hub assembly. It comes with the bearing and the hub together. I'm going to be using this Dorman part number 950-001. So I'm going to be removing this brake hose, the mount. So I'm going to be removing the 2 bolts that mount the caliper. So I'm going to hang this up with my wire. Okay, so I'm going to be removing the rotor. So we're going to be removing this dust cap. So just getting a chisel to like split it open. Taking off my cotter pin. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this axle nut. Okay, so we're going to be removing these 4 bolts. One here, there's one over here, and one more over here. Once I remove that, then this hub assembly will come off. Okay, so there's an O-ring over here on the old hub assembly. I'm going to be transferring this O-ring to the new hub assembly. So now I'm going to get some anti-seize. I'm going to be putting it on my axle. Put them on the threads. I'll be putting some anti-seize in my hub. So I'm going to be installing this assembly. Okay, so now we can tighten up the bolts. I'm now going to be putting some anti-seize around this hub. Then we can put the rotor back on. I'm going to be putting on 2 bolts just so the rotor don't wobble. So I'm going to be putting on the axle nut. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to be putting my cotter pin on. Then I'm going to be putting on my dust cover. So I'm going to be squeezing the calipers in very little, just so I can get the pads to slide over the rotor. Okay, so now we can put the caliper back on. So we're going to be bolting the caliper. So we're gonna be mounting the brake hose put a little anti-seize on the bolt. So we're going to be mounting this wire, ABS wire. So that's how you replace a front wheel bearing with hub. If you have any questions, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.